Hey guys, you know, the other thing that I don't think we've done any demo of is the socks. So if you haven't tried these socks, they are amazing. They are so soft and so comfortable, and you can see how big these tops expand. So the tops are made out of this really lightweight, nice, comfortable stretch material, so they don't slide down. I know for me, I cannot have anything that's tight on my ankle at all. I'll get dense. It's very uncomfortable. It'll restrict circulation. So for me, I really need a diabetic top sock, which this is. And these are made out of bamboo, so they are incredibly soft. They're soft and very stretchy and comfortable, and they get softer the more you wash it. They also have this support here. So you can see the different stitching pattern through the middle. But this is just like a diabetic sock where it gives you more support through the middle because of that additional stitching. And there's cushion on the heel through here, which you probably can't see. But the cushion goes all the way from here through the bottom of the heel and then up through here. So this whole area from here to here is cushioned. And then it's nice and lightweight on the top, very thin sock. It does have a seam here, but it's such a soft seam and will not cause irritation like other seams do. They come in a pack of 2 blacks and 1 tan.